Not just Assam, ladies and gentlemen, a major controversy has now erupted over eateries on the Kavar Yatra route in Saharanpur and Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh, with outlets being ordered to display the names of owners. Now, the local authorities have said the order is aimed at respecting the sentiments and dietary preferences of devotees to avoid any religious disputes on the route. This directive has now sparked outrage, with opposition leaders claiming that Muslim traders are being directly targeted by the Uttar Pradesh government, calling it state-sponsored bigotry. The BJP, on the other hand, has hit back at the opposition, accusing it of playing petty politics over a move aimed to maintain law and order. And more breaking news coming in on this front. Criticism of the order now coming from the BJP camp, from BJP leader and former Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. He has tweeted, and I quote, "The hasty orders of some overzealous officials may give rise to the disease of untouchability. Faith must be respected, but untouchability must not be patronized," is the pitch coming in from the former Union Minister. I'm joined by my colleague Siddhant on the broadcast to get more details, as well as the political ramifications of this move, which seems to be resonating in the BJP camp as well. So, Siddhant, the criticism also coming in from Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, saying that this entire move is overzealous. It will not promote any amity between the different communities as the Kavar Yatris pass through areas like Saharanpur and Muzaffarnagar. It will only lead to more division. But the local authorities maintaining the fact that this is aimed to maintain law and order so that there is no confusion as the Kavar Yatris interact with the locals in communally sensitive areas like Muzaffarnagar and Saharanpur.
Well, look, this may be Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi's personal opinion, and in fact, he handled the Minority Affairs Ministry for the longest time in the previous regime, and he doesn't have any post right now. But this could be his personal opinion that he differs from the diktat that has been issued by the government of Uttar Pradesh. But the fact is that the party position is very much on the same lines of favoring the diktat. In fact, Sudhanshu Trivedi, the chief spokesperson, spoke in favor of the diktat. Now, look, first of all, this is not a blanket order that has been issued by the state government. This order has been implemented in few districts, given the circumstances. There have been issues in the past. Kavar Yatra process is very sensitive. It's a very challenging task for police. There are standard operating protocols, systems in place. But at times the amendments and changes are made, according to the local atmosphere, environment ahead of the yatra. So this has been done in Muzaffarnagar and Saharanpur. Now, there have been multiple complaints that right-wing groups have filed to the police, saying that the hotel owners have deliberately changed the name and keep the name as if it looks like the hotel owner is a Hindu. So that perhaps created a lot of confusion in the past, and also some Hindu groups were not happy that the people from the other community are selling Hindu religious accessories outside temples and various other religious places. So there are multiple complaints, and in fact, there have been input also on the same line. So acting upon that, this decision has been taken that, look, if there should not be any situation of confusion when Kavar Yatris will pass, because the situation of confusion could flare up the situation, at the time of the yatra. So for that purpose only, the government have asked people to come up with their names, signboards. Now, opposition parties have slammed the government. They are saying that this has been done deliberately to polarize the atmosphere, also to create a religious divide. In fact, Samajwadi Party also has to say that since BJP is losing ground, so they are back to their original formula of polarizing the society, and it's only BJP which is going to get benefited from such kind of diktat. So we are getting all sorts of opinion since morning. Both the right wing and the opposition parties both are coming with their own opinions and explaining that how it is dangerous, and right wing has to say that how it would reduce confusion and will keep law and order intact. Back to you.
Thank you, Siddhant, for getting us that piece of breaking news. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out as the government sticks to its guns when it comes to this order in communally sensitive areas in Uttar Pradesh. But let's listen into more reactions coming in.
देखिए, कांवड़ की तैयारियां शुरू हो गई हैं और हमारे जनपद में लगभग 240 किलोमीटर का कांवड़ मार्ग है। इसमें जितने भी खान पान के दुकानें हैं, चाहे वो होटल, ढाबे, ठेले, जहां से भी कांवड़िए अपनी खाद्य सामग्री खरीद सकते हैं, उन सबको ये निर्देशित किया गया है कि अपने प्रोप्राइटर के या काम करने वालों के नाम ज़रूर डिस्प्ले करें। ये इसलिए ज़रूरी है ताकि किसी प्रकार का कोई कन्फ्यूजन किसी भी कांवड़िए के अंदर ना रहे और ऐसी स्थिति ना उत्पन्न हो कि कहीं कोई आरोप प्रत्यारोप हो और बाद में कानून व्यवस्था की स्थिति उत्पन्न हो। इसलिए ऐसा निर्देश दिया गया है और सब इसको अपनी स्वेच्छा से इसका पालन कर रहे हैं।
जैसा कि पूर्व में ये मामले सामने आए हैं कि कांवड़ में जो कांवड़िए आते हैं, कई जगह रेट लिस्ट को लेकर होटल और ढाबों पे विवाद हुआ खाने वाली चीज़ों को लेकर। इसके अलावा कुछ मुद्दे ये उठते रहे कि कोई नॉनवेज किसी दुकान पे है या कोई अन्य धर्म का, कोई अन्य संप्रदाय का व्यक्ति किसी अन्य नाम से कोई होटल ढाबा खोला हुआ है, जिसको लेकर आपस में हमेशा दिक्कतें आती रही हैं। उसके देखते हुए निर्णय लिया गया था कि जो भी दुकान है, होटल हैं, ढाबे हैं, इस सब पे उसका जो प्रोप्राइटर हो, जो उसका मालिक हो, उसका नाम बड़े बड़े अक्षरों में साफ सुथरा इंगित हो, दुकानों पर रेट लिस्ट लगाई गई हो, साथ ही वहाँ जो कार्य करते हों कर्मी, उनका नाम इंगित हो, ताकि किसी प्रकार की कोई समस्या ना उत्पन्न हो।
ऑर्डर है उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार की तरफ से, उसको हम कंडेम करते हैं। इसलिए कंडेम करते हैं कि ये संविधान के आर्टिकल 17 का वायलेशन है, जो अनटचेबिलिटी की बात करता है। तो उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार अनटचेबिलिटी को प्रमोट कर रही है। दूसरी बात यह है कि जब से वो उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार ने ऑर्डर दिया है, मुजफ्फरनगर में जितने ढाबे हैं, उन ढाबों से मुस्लिम एम्प्लॉइज को निकाल दिया गया है।